polygons and circles. Words to know: polygons, similar, congruent, symmetry. I can classify polygons and explain the difference between similar and congruent. I can find lines of symmetry in different polygons. Let's do a quick review of different polygons and their names. We have, right here in the corner with 3 sides, a triangle with the prefix tri, meaning 3. We have this bug's eye, which is a circle. We have the outside of this box is a square. We have the inside of the flower with 5 sides, which is a pentagon. We have this 4-sided shape of the mountain, 2 equal sides, and then the other 2 sides that are parallel to each other are different lengths. That's a trapezoid. We have the outside of this box, 4 sides. 2 sides are the same length. The other 2 sides that are parallel are the same length. That is a rectangle. Okay, let's talk about similar and congruent shapes. We're going to look at the characteristics of each set of shapes, so this set of triangles and the set of pentagons, and list some characteristics and then match them up to the terms similar and congruent. The 2 triangles are exactly the same, other than the direction that they're facing, but they are the same size and the same shape. What do you notice about these pentagons this time? Are they the same shape? Yes, they are the same shape. Are they the same size though? No, they're different sizes. So what I'm learning is that congruent shapes are going to be the exact same. Exact. Congruent means the same shape, the same size. Similar means they're similar. They are the same shape, but they're different sizes, just like this set of pentagons. Lines of symmetry. Symmetry is when one shape becomes exactly like another shape when you flip it, turn it, or slide it. So if we look at this butterfly down the purple line, we have a line of symmetry. This side of the butterfly is exactly the same as this side of the butterfly if you were to take this side and flip it and lay it on top of that side. That is an example of a line of symmetry. This flower has multiple lines of symmetry. If you notice, these black dotted lines make it have a line of symmetry down that side of the flower, but then everywhere there is a black line, that is a line of symmetry. So there are actually quite a few lines of symmetry in this shape. Some shapes have more than others. Do you see the line of symmetry here with the mountain? If I cut this mountain in half, I have the exact same shape on top and on bottom. There is one line of symmetry through this shape. What about these seashells? If you look right down here, these seashells were connected, and I can open them apart, and they have symmetry on either side of that line. One line of symmetry. Let's review. I want you to get a piece of paper, and I want you to follow these instructions on that piece of paper. So pause the video if you need to, get paper and pencil, and then push play again, and we will continue on. The first thing I want you to draw is similar pentagons. So the first thing that you're going to need to know is what is a pentagon, how many sides does a pentagon have, and then what are similar pentagons. What does similar mean? So draw 2 similar pentagons. The second thing I want you to do is draw congruent triangles. So you're going to need to know what congruent is and what a triangle looks like, and draw a set of congruent triangles. The third thing I want you to do is I want you to take a square that you draw, and then I want you to find all of the possible lines of symmetry in that square. Once you finish that, I want you to explain each of your drawings in a sentence or two on Edmodo. Pause the video right here and then do what I asked, and we'll get back to it and we'll check your work. Similar pentagons. Similar means that they are the same shape, but they are not the same size. A pentagon has 5 sides. So we have similar pentagons. My drawings are not the best right now. Congruent triangles. Triangles that are exactly the same. They are just turned in other directions, or they don't even have to be turned in the different directions. A line of symmetry in a square, there are more than one. You can cut it straight down the middle there, 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 oops, end to end, triangle to triangle. How did you do?